In this video, I'm going to show you how to reactivate your deleted TikTok account. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. You can reactivate your TikTok account within 30 days after you have deleted that account, and now let me show you how to do that. So first, open up TikTok application and here tap Add Profile. And there hit at the very bottom Add a Login, where it says already have an account. There you can use one of that ways. You have to remember the way you created your account and use the same way to reactivate that account. I'll hit add use phone, email or username, and there I'll enter my phone number. Then tap add continue. Then activation code will be sent to me via message. Here is it. I can simply tap where it says from messages, and here I can add email address to my TikTok account, or I can just hit on skip to actually skip that step. And now I'm already on my TikTok account and I have just reactivated it by logging into that account. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.